In this video, I'll guide you through how to collaborate in Google Keep so you and your team can stay on the same page with your notes and ideas. We'll walk through exactly how collaboration works, what to expect when you're sharing notes, and a few tips to make the experience smoother. By the end, you'll feel comfortable working with others inside a shared Google Keep note. First, open your web browser and go to keepgoogle.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use. Once the page loads, you'll see all your existing notes. To work on a shared note, look for a note that already has collaborators added. You can usually recognize these by a small collaborator icon or by knowing which notes you've already shared with others. Go ahead and click on that shared note to open it. At this stage, it's important that the collaborators have already been added to the note. That means whoever owns or created the note has invited other people using their Google accounts. If collaborators are not added yet, you'll need to add them before true collaboration can happen. Otherwise, you're still just working in a private note. Once collaborators are in place, everyone with access can contribute. Inside the open note, every collaborator can edit the content. This includes typing new text, changing existing text, and rearranging information. For example, in a meeting notes document, one person might be typing the agenda while another is capturing decisions or action items at the same time. Nobody has to wait for someone else to finish before they add their part. If the note contains a checklist, any collaborator can add new checklist items, mark items as done, or uncheck them if something needs to be revisited. This is especially helpful for shared to-do lists, grocery lists, or project task lists where responsibilities are distributed among multiple people. Everyone can see what's done and what still needs attention. Collaborators can also add other types of content supported by Google Keep. That might include additional labels, images, or extra details in the note description. For instance, if you're planning an event, one person could add a photo of the venue, while another adds links or reminders related to the schedule. All of these edits are part of the same shared note, so you don't end up with multiple versions scattered across different places. One of the biggest advantages of collaborating in Google Keep is that changes sync automatically. You don't need to hit a save button or refresh the page. As soon as someone types, checks an item, or updates the content, those changes are stored and synced in the background. As long as each person is connected to the internet and signed into their Google account, they'll see updates appear in real time or within a few moments. This real-time syncing means you can use Google Keep almost like a live workspace. You might be on your laptop while someone else is on their phone, yet both of you are looking at the same note evolving together. It keeps everyone aligned, reduces confusion, and makes collaboration feel natural and immediate. That's all you need to start collaborating in Google Keep. Open keepgoogle.com, select a shared note where collaborators have been added, allow everyone to edit and add items, and rely on Google Keep's automatic syncing to keep updates visible to the whole group.